This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Judy Attari. Under construction. You are going to love this new 2-story home designed with you in mind. This floor plan has it all, starting with a very large 4-bed, 3-bath, covered lanai, 2-car garage with an open floor plan on both floors offering over 2,700 square feet of living space. The flexibility in a floor plan that you deserve, where you decide how to use the flex room downstairs and the loft upstairs. The first floor offers a living area with open space for your dining/kitchen/great room, plus the flex room off the front entry with a built-in pocket office. On the main level you will also find bedroom 4 with a walk-in closet, and full bathroom with a set-in tile shower. The kitchen offers plenty of counter space, including quartz countertops on top of 42 inches gray wood cabinets that are soft close with a large center island to provide additional seating. Tile floors in the downstairs common areas and second floor wet areas, carpet in the downstairs flex room and on the second level. The second floor offers a resort-style primary suite with a large walk-in closet, a spa-like primary bath with room to roam and featuring a garden tub, frameless glass enclosure with a tiled shower to the ceiling. That's not all. The guest bedrooms are nice size, and one with a large walk-in closet, and all separated by an open loft area and guest bathroom that has 2 undermount sinks. Don't forget the convenience of the second floor laundry room and a second pocket office built into the loft area. Other features include 8 tall interior doors, and 9 feet 4 inches ceilings on both levels and block exterior walls on both levels. For more information, review the details below or contact Judy Attari at 941-907-2000.